Hi, Luis here, Head of Product at Motion. Welcome to Motion for Project Management. Let's go over the core philosophy behind project management in Motion. At Motion, we believe work should manage itself so you and your team can focus on actually getting things done. Here's 4 key principles. 1. All work needs to be in motion. If a task or project is not in motion, that means it's not being tracked, which then means it's at risk of being forgotten. The first step is to make sure that everything is added to Motion. 2. You have to trust Motion to auto-schedule. Motion intelligently schedules everyone's tasks based on deadlines, priorities, and availability, so you don't have to manually rearrange people's calendars. 3. Use project templates for repeatable work. Most projects follow the same general stages. Workflow templates standardize these stages and automate recurring processes. 4. Every project follows a life cycle. No matter how big or small, every project has at least 3 stages: initiation, execution, and delivery. Okay, let's talk about SOPs. So what is an SOP? An SOP is a standard operating procedure, and they are essential to running an effective organization. An SOP outlines how work gets done. It brings consistency, efficiency, and clarity, which allows a business to scale without chaos. Every project moves through at least 3 stages. Here's an example. Let's say initiation. The initiation phase of a project can be research, onboarding, and contract signing. Then you get into execution, which could be building, testing, and iterating. And then finally, you get into project delivery, which means handoff, payment processing, and follow-ups. At Motion, for example, our feature development process follows 8 stages, all the way from design to launch. SOPs can be applied to every part of a business. Some examples include employee onboarding, which goes through IT setup, training, and assigning first projects; performance reviews, which require preparation, feedback, and submission; or annual budget planning, which includes goal setting, data collection, and approval. By structuring work into SOPs, Motion can automate the whole process for you, reducing the manual effort and keeping everything on track. Let's talk about Motion's project templates. Project templates in Motion turn SOPs into automated workflows. This ensures every project follows a structured process. Tasks are assigned and scheduled automatically, and any updates to a template apply instantly across all active projects. You don't need to get everything right from the start. You can begin with a simple template of 10 to 15 tasks and then refine it over time. For example, our feature development workflow started with 20 tasks and now has over 80. This means nothing ever gets overlooked. With this level of automation, project moves faster, delays are reduced, and manual tracking is no longer necessary. You'll learn a lot more about SOPs and project templates in our section on project templates. All right, that's it for this lesson. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, happy scheduling and bye-bye.